Students, welcome to Prof Trimp Academy. Myself Dr. Kajal Rai, and today we are going to solve the fractions problem which is given in the question. Here it is given that Arnav spent 1 is to 3 by 4 hours in studies and 2 is to 1 by 2 hours in playing cricket. Then how much time did he spend in all? So we have to calculate the total time. The time spent by Arnav in studies and playing cricket are given. We have to calculate the total time. For first we have to write in words also because this is a word problem. So time spent by Arnav is in studies. First we have to write in studies how much time he is given, which is 1 is to 3 by 4 hours. This is improper fraction, so we have to convert it into proper fraction. And I hope you all know it. If you don't know it, please look at the previous video of fractions and you will get to know about it. And this is 7 is to 4. Now the time spent by Arnav in playing cricket, we have to write down that also, which is given is 2 is to 1 by 2 hours. This also we have to convert it into proper, so this is 5 by 2 hours. Now the total time spent by Arnav, and this is equal to the time spent in studies plus the time spent in playing cricket. So this is equal to time spent in studies plus time spent in playing cricket. We have to write the proper steps because in mathematics each step has the number. So you have to write the proper steps. Steps must be correct. Now we all know the time spent in studies is 7 by 4 plus the time spent in playing cricket is 5 by 4. As both the denominators are different, so we have to take the LCM of both of these, 2 and 4, which is 4. So now we can do the addition very easily, which is 17 by 4 hours total time spent. But as you know, the problem given in the numbers are given in the mixed format, so we have to convert this also in the mixed format, and this is the proper way of doing any sum in mathematics. So this is the time spent by Arnav total. If you want to follow us, you can do that. You can check out our other courses also on the website given here, and also you can follow us on the handle on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Twitter, which is Prof Trimp. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. Thank you very much. I hope you understand the solution of this question.